my name is Paul, and today I'm introducing the new 3¼ ton low-profile tech jack. This heavy-duty jack has a low 3.6-inch stance, which makes it easy to fit under low vehicles or a vehicle with a flat. Extended arm length allows for easy access to hard-to-reach lift points, and lifts to 21.4 inches high, providing exceptional ground clearance. This premium jack features dual pistons to get more out of every pump. A 14.5-inch wide stance ensures better stability and safety during lifting. Engineered with thick side plates and lift arms for additional strength and long-lasting durability. The Tech Jack provides smooth operation, making it easier on the user. This premium jack is a necessity in any automotive repair shop or is the perfect addition to a DIY garage. Get your hands on the new 3¼ ton low-profile tech jack by contacting your Tech distributor today. For more information about Tech products, visit TechTireRepairs.com.